Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please click on that rainbow subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also, click on notification bell that pops up after you've subscribed so that YouTube can always get you notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you some words or sentences you can use every day, okay? So we say daily sentences, but we are going to take this class one after another. So we take this class by learning something today and we continue in the next class and subsequent classes, okay? So we start today by learning I want, okay? I want. So whenever you want something, you will know how to say it in Igbo language, okay? So what is I want in Igbo language? I want means achorom, achorom, I want, achorom, achorom, I want, achorom, I want, achorom, okay? So when you want to say I want to eat food, you will say achorom iri nri, achorom iri nri, achorom iri nri, achorom I want, iri to eat, iri to eat, nri nri food, achorom iri nri, I want to eat food, okay? So when you want to say I want to drink water, you will say achorom ịṅụ mmiri, achorom ịṅụ mmiri, I want to drink water, achorom I want, ịṅụ to drink, mmiri water, achorom ịṅụ mmiri, I want to drink water, okay? So when you want to say I want that clothes, you say achorom akwa ahụ, achorom akwa ahụ, achorom akwa ahụ, akwa means clothes, okay? Achorom akwa ahụ, so I want that clothes, achorom akwa ahụ. So when you want to say I want to fetch water, I want to fetch water, you say achorom ichu mmiri, achorom ichu mmiri, or you will say achorom ikute mmiri, achorom ikute mmiri, I want to fetch water, okay? When you want to say I want to cook, I want to cook, you say achorom isi nri. Remember I said nri means food. Achorom isi to cook, achorom isi nri, achorom isi nri, I want to cook food, okay? Alright loves, I've come to the end of today's video. How to help yourself while learning Igbo language is always trying to put in whatever you've learned into your daily practice. So even if you forget that food means nri in Igbo, but you remember that achorom means I want to, so you always say achorom. You can complete the rest with English language. That is how to learn Igbo language. If you wait till you get the whole thing, you might eventually not learn anything at all. So anyone you remember, just use it and complete the rest with what? English language, okay? Alright, if you love this video, please give me thumbs up and see you in our next class. Remain blessed.